Starting with students, good morning. Welcome back to your next class. Our second lecture is science. Students, first you open your books. I start reading. All of the students open your books, page number 4. All of the students open your book, page number 4. I start reading. I also screenshot with you some pictures that have been shown on your books. Okay. And after that, we also do our works on our English CEVA copies, science CEVA copies that we had done last 2 days. Ready your copies? Write date, CEVA, and write day. As you have done in your last English class, you can ready your copies. You also ready your copies in this class. Unit number 1. Topic is growing plants. Growing plants for food. Okay, students. Then you write part B. Write, students, write with me so you can easily understand. Tomorrow we have done part B, question number 1 and question number 2. Now I start question number 3. Question number 3. The third question is, in which season? In which season rice? In which season rice ground? Third question is, in which season rice ground? कौन से मौसम में हम चावल उगाते हैं? The answer of this question is that rice is ground in summer season. Rice is ground in summer season. We grow rice in summer seasons. हम गर्मियों के मौसम में राइस उगाते हैं. Okay, is it clear? I hope all of you understand. Rice is ground in summer season. राइस चावल इस ग्राउंड उगाए जाते हैं इनमें समर सीजन गर्मियों के मौसम में. चावल गर्मियों के मौसम में उगाए जाते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 is name one chemical fertilizer. Name one chemical fertilizer. Chemical fertilizer is basically the things that a farmer use to protect their crops so other insects cannot destroy their crops. The farmers use chemicals. We write one name of the chemicals for fertilizers that a farmer can use to protect their crops. Urea. Urea is basically a chemical that a farmer can use to protect his crops to different kinds of insects. Urea is a chemical fertilizer. Is it clear? I hope all of the students note down these two questions. We have done science unit number 1, topic drawing plants for food, part B. Last days we can done question number 1 and question number 2, and now we have done question number 3. Question number 3 is in which season rice ground, चावल किस मौसम में उगाए जाते हैं? राइस इज ग्राउंड, चावल उगाए जाते हैं इन समर सीजन, गर्मियों के मौसम में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज नेम वन केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. वन केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर, राइट नेम वन केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर दैट अ फार्मर कैन यूज टू प्रोटेक्ट हिज क्रॉप. यूरिया इज अ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. यूरिया इज द नेम ऑफ अ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर that a farmer can use to protect their crops. Okay students, I hope all of you note down this. Now open your books, we start readings. Open your books, page number 12. Students, I share a screen with you that will show that what are the agents that are helpful to disperse the seeds. Rice is ground. Students, show me your copies that you have done. Abdul Manan, show me your copy science. Adan.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम टीचर, अदरत लाल की अटेंडेंस लगा ले.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Show me your copies of science. Have you done your work?
Yes मैम. फारिया इमरान की प्रेजेंट लगा दे.
Okay students, show me your copy.
मैम अदरत लाल की अटेंडेंस लगा दे. टीचर मम्मा ने कहा था पहले आप रफ लिख लो फिर
Open your camera and show me your copies.
टीचर मम्मा ने कहा था कि आप पहले रफ कॉपी पे लिख लो फिर सही नजर नहीं आता, मिस्टेक हो जाती है, तो इसलिए मैंने पहले